That was really bad. I'm gonna delete that. Hello. Hey guys, it's Jana and I'm here to show you what's my mini fridge and what kind of food I keep in stock. So first off, this is my fridge. I keep food over here and food on top of the microwave and then more food over here. So up here I just have my milk. It's just Fairlife. Yep. And then like a core one that has more protein in it. And then in here I keep my peanut butter. My mom actually sends this to me from Iowa. It's like freshly crushed peanut butter. And then chocolate chips from when I tried to make chocolate chip cookies in the microwave, which that did not work out. And then we have cashews, almonds, chips, some old Chex Mix that I should probably throw away, and then some black bean chips. And if we head on down into the freezer, in the sides I just have my corn, peas, mixed veggies, and then broccoli right here, and then I just have some Kodak Power Waffles, chocolate, they're the best. And then I just have frozen spinach, pineapple, blueberries, bananas, and strawberries for smoothies. I also put the spinach in the smoothies. So in my fridge, I just have rice back there that I cooked and had extra of. Eggs and cottage cheese that I take from the dining hall, protein balls that my mom sent me, some veggies like I think tomatoes, carrots, and celery, and then back there I have pickles, and right here I have more pickles. Can't ever have enough pickles. And then I just have turkey, and then this chicken that I get from Target. It's kind of expensive, but it's good to have on hand. Pineapple, and then broccoli and mushrooms and green peppers for stir fries. And then down here I have my string cheese, my sliced cheese, mustard, sweet chili Thai sauce, and then some grapes. Door, I just have my big thing of chocolate milk, my milk that I get from the dining hall, and then just some pomegranate juice. And then up here I have like my face roller. I keep it in the fridge because it feels good cold, but I keep it in a baggie to keep out the bacteria. And then in this rolling cart, I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. And I just have like all my oatmeal over here, and back here I think I have like baking soda, flour, sugar, and then like a bag of rice way back there. On this shelf I have all my spices, like I have dill weed, Italian, garlic powder, sesame oil, olive oil, vanilla extract over here, and then I have my noodles, and then I have my flat out tortillas, kind of flatbread, and then baggies back there. And up here I keep my sandwich thins, which I just use as bread. And then I have these packets. These packets are literally so handy. Like this is quinoa, and you just put it in the microwave, cook it. And then like I have like this rice mix, and that's what was in my fridge. Usually it's good for like 2 servings. And then I have my tuna. I have my Kodak maple flapjacks in the microwave, and then I have my overnight oats, and then my protein powder. I have my Burt's Bees that I put in my smoothies, and then I have my Tara's Way for my post-workout shake, I guess, just like milk and that. And then up here we have our toaster. I have lots of extra Triscuits. I have fruit. I have my Rice Krispie Treat cereal, which by the way is the best thing on planet Earth. Some Skinny Pop. I have my sweet potatoes, and then I have cans of chickpeas, black olives, And that's about it for my food. And then over here is where I keep all my kitchen supplies. So I have my Ninja blender that I use for smoothies and occasionally milkshakes. And then I have my tea kettle that I use for boiling water, usually to make pasta or something. I'll just like have my mug and I'll put my pasta in it, and then I'll pour the boiling water in it, and then I'll put the lid on, and it only takes about like 5 minutes, which is awesome. Then I just kind of have like my cups and like my blender bottles back there for protein shakes with these things, and then my honey, my workout water bottle, and then just I keep water here. And then in this first drawer I have like all my main utensils that I use. I have my silverware, my measuring cups, my cutting board, my plates, my apple cutter, my like strainer, I guess. That's what I use it for mainly. And then I have my 2 big mugs I use, and then I have this Pampered Chef thing that I got for graduation. It's great for like steaming veggies or making cakes. And then in here, there's kind of like some random stuff. I have a can opener, and I have like the top of my hydro flask that I don't use, and like potato chip clips. And then in the second drawer, it's kind of empty right now, but usually I keep all my Tupperware in there, but right now it's in the fridge with food in it, so I just have like some of those extra Tupperwares. I keep all my blender stuff in here, straws, towel, and then some bowls that I stole from the dining hall. And that's what I have for my like little mini kitchen in here. And yes.